Imagine going back in time 200 years to 1845. A young Scottish surgeon named James Esdaile travels to India to work in a local hospital in Bengal. At that time, anaesthetics were only just beginning to be discovered and weren't commonly used. So people were having serious operations, having their limbs amputated, having large tumours removed, or having cataract surgery while fully awake, fully conscious, and, as you can imagine, screaming in pain. Esdaile was curious about a new idea he had heard, that the mind could influence the body. So he would suggest to his patients before going into surgery that they would feel calm, they would remain still, and even fall asleep while the operation took place. Needless to say, Esdaile was stunned. His patients did indeed remain still, calm, unflinching throughout the whole operation, which would usually be unbearable. They entered a trance-like state in which they felt no fear or pain. At that time, the mortality rate was 50%. If you can imagine that, half the people who went in for surgery didn't come out alive. With Esdaile's hypnotic surgery, 50% went down to just 5%. That's a lot of lives saved. Now, these weren't just minor procedures. These were serious operations, limb amputations, large tumour removals, surgery on your eyes. If you could imagine having your arm taken off and not feel any pain without the use of any drugs or the modern technology we have today. This was groundbreaking stuff at the time, and even would be today. So in 1847, Esdaile wrote a book, Mesmerism in India, where he documents all his experiences and discoveries in the hope that the world would pay attention. Nowadays, we do have powerful drugs and modern technology to allow us to undergo surgery without feeling a thing, which is amazing. But what do Esdaile's findings tell us about the human mind, about what it means to be human? I think it says that the words we use, the ideas we hold in our minds and share with others, and the way we use our imagination shouldn't be taken for granted and can be used intentionally, purposefully, to alleviate suffering, to take away pain, to increase peace and happiness. The things that we all truly want, right?